Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 31 Stanton in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So this is a pre-owned Redman home, and I just think it looks stunning inside. It comes equipped with outside water and electric as well. Take a look inside. I'll just let you get a sense of how large this living room is. Brand new carpeting has been put in. Take a look from the other angle, but you could very easily put a dining room table or anything that would span these two rooms. It would look perfect. You see there we have a cable splitter for cable jacks for television or whatnot. Here is the kitchen. These are all Whirlpool appliances throughout. Take a look at the refrigerator. Side-by-side freezer on the left side and refrigerator on the right side. Here you can see the dishwasher. We have laminate countertops. Got this side-by-side sink here. Microwave and stove oven combination. There's also a heating tray at the bottom of the stove. This house was originally built in 2023, so it is also fairly new. Here we'll take a look at the mudroom. So you've got shelving above. You can put your side-by-side washer and dryer here. This door goes to the back of the house. And you have your electrical panel right here. Now this is just like a regular home. It's 100 amps. Everything is labeled in there for you. Take a look at the rest of the house. Here is the thermostat. This is the first bathroom. One-piece fiberglass bathtub here. We've got a skylight above that gives a lot of light to this room. Here you can see the vinyl flooring and the new carpeting. This is the first of the bedrooms. Give you a sense of how large it is. Also comes equipped with a cable jack there. Take a look at the bathroom. One-piece fiberglass shower. This one also has this very pretty glass sliding door. Got a light above the toilet there. And these beautiful cabinets on the side of the mirror with cabinetry below. Now we'll take a look at the closet. This closet runs the length of the wall here, and it comes with a wire rack already. That is the data plate, which gives you all the information about the house. Here we have the furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and the central air conditioning in this house. And this is the second bedroom. Here is the closet. Again, this comes with a wire rack in here. If you're interested about this house or any other houses that we offer, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill in pre-qualifying questions, which will get you set on the path to owning your very own dream home. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.